Okay, so hey there guys, how's it going? My name is Charlie and today I've got an unboxing of the iPad 6th generation. It's the 32GB Wi-Fi edition. It's just for school and we're going to be unboxing it along with the Logitech SlimFolio case. So we'll pop that aside for now and we'll get on to the actual iPad. So we've got trusty pocket knife thing. As with every Apple product, it's just, there we go, nice and simple. Okay, oh, gone out of focus. There we go. And so on the box it's just the side profile of the iPad, Apple logo. So let's, oops, I'm really messing this up. Let's go ahead and slide it out. And there we go. We are immediately greeted with our new device. So let's go ahead and grab this handy little tab here. And here we go. Oh, hi. Hi there. How's it going? So this is the iPad itself. It's space grey. Very nice, very nice. Let's pop that to the side for a second. Oh, and I've turned off my monitor. Give me a sec. Let's just put my knife away from the iPad. That's probably a good idea. Okay. So in the box you've got our Apple cable. It's just the Lightning, USB to Lightning. Get it with every iPhone, iPad. Just the simple cable, just a normal Lightning cable. Oh, and it's struggling to focus. No, it doesn't want to focus. But it's just the normal Lightning cable from Apple. Let's pop that in our box here, and then here we have the designed by Apple in California, like pamphlet full of information, and of course the all-important Apple stickers, which are here. You get the normal white ones. Sad that you don't get the space grey ones like you do with the MacBook. That would have been a nice touch. And then the really simple looking. It's not even got many pages. It's just these two sides. That's how small the thing is, the introduction to the iPad, because it's that simple to use. There's nothing else in there. And then, oh, I've never had one of these ones. So here we get the actual adapter that you plug into that you don't plug into your wall, but that you plug your cable into. And then this is just your adapter. So that this is obviously the UK one. And yeah, let's go ahead and, that was a bit anticlimactic, wasn't it? And then this one, there we go. And then that just slots on in there. There we go, nice and neat, nice and neat. Okay, let's move this out of the way. Okay, so I'm jealous because I didn't get to do this on my iPhone, but I'm going to get to do it on my iPad. Let's go ahead and take off. Oh, that's nice. Oh, this is the cleanest it will ever be. So let's go ahead and start this one up straight away. So it's definitely got charge in it, which is good. You kind of need charge. I won't set that up on camera, but I'll set that up in a bit. And then the SlimFolio. Oh, it's not got a tab that you need to do. Oh, it's just that. There we go. So this is the case. It's got a keyboard built in. There we go. The iPad's just started up properly. And then an instruction guide, but it's really simple. I've actually set one of these up before. Set up my brother's and just open it up. It's really nice. Very simple. Very nice looking keyboard, normal QWERTY layout, and there we go. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching this video. There's actually been a technical fault on the school side here, because this is a school managed iPad. However, it is mine. I own this, but it's managed by the school. People that have tried to set it up tonight, we've managed to crash it somehow, or something's gone wrong, and so I can't set it up. So whilst I would show you what it looks like when it's fully working, I can't. So hopefully this issue gets resolved by tonight, but I will be uploading a 2-week with the iPad video in 2 weeks, obviously. But I'm really sorry, but I really hope that you enjoyed the actual unboxing. I know I sure did. Apple products are just packaged so goddamn nicely. And hopefully we should be having another Apple unboxing quite soon. I wonder what that could be. Who knows? But yeah, thank you so much for watching my unboxing of the iPad 6th generation. Really hope that you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.
I just can't wait until the summer, when my spirit's free, no one's stopping me now. I just can't wait until the summer, when I meet with you again. Yeah. I just can't wait until the summer, when my